FlashExtract is a tool to extract structured data out of semi-structured documents using examples. This here is a text file that contains citation records. It was copied from a PDF document. Each citation is a list of authors followed by paper title and year. What I want to do here is analyze how many times each author has been cited. In order to answer that question, I need to convert the semi-structured data into a structured format. FlashExtract will help me do this. The first step is to identify the top-level record. I'm going to select the first one here. Next, I'm going to highlight the second one. The system tries to learn a program that can identify more of these records in the file and highlight them. I see with the bird's eye viewer here that there's a couple of gaps. Record 19 and 29. I'm going to simply re-highlight them. A quick inspection shows me that they're both now extracted properly. Now let's try to extract the list of all authors. I'm going to add a second label, and I'm going to select just the names of the authors here. You can see that the system tries to infer this field for the other blue records, but it doesn't get it quite right. You can see right away in the second record it's not correct. In general, it may not be easy to find where the system made the mistake. Therefore, we have invested into other user experiences to help the user spot any of these discrepancies. Let me show you this experience. The system generates C# programs which we paraphrase into plain English. The green field has been extracted from the blue field by taking a substring that starts after the first white space. This is correct since the list of authors indeed starts after the first white space in all records. The substring extends up to the camel case in the second line. It so happens that the list of authors ends at the camel case for the first record, but that wouldn't be the case for all records. Therefore, we need to correct the program. The system learns not one program but many programs that are consistent with the examples provided by the user. I can click on the part that is incorrect and ask it to show me alternatives. Turns out that the next highlighted option is indeed the correct one. I'm going to click that and I see that the records are now correct. Let's now go ahead and extract the individual authors. Note that FlashExtract can also perform nested extraction to produce a list of lists as an output. Let's select here the first author and then the second one. After I provided a couple of examples, FlashExtract correctly identified the list of all authors and appropriately displays the nested data in the table. Note that FlashExtract correctly ignores the word "and" in the last yellow field in any blue record. However, my intent could as well have been to split the string by commas, in which case "and" should be included as part of the last yellow string in any blue record. Either the user can spot this by inspection or by looking at the synthesized program. I want to show you another powerful user interaction that can help focus the user's attention on any such ambiguities, especially when they occur somewhere in the middle of the document. We call this active learning, where the system is going to ask questions like, did you mean this or did you mean that? I'm going to go into settings and turn on in disambiguation this auto dialog box. After I turn it on, FlashExtract asks me whether or not I intended to include "and" in the output. Look at these two examples here. The way FlashExtract does this is to synthesize multiple programs that are consistent with the user examples and then runs all of these programs on the remaining document and uses any differences in the executions of these programs to frame the question. I can now simply select the choice without "and." Now I can load the structured data into Excel and further work with it.